Hi, welcome to Farm to Table with Amber, where we grow, cook, and eat together. Now, I will be saying that phrase on every video because truly, we're going to grow, cook, and eat together on this channel. I wanted to share with you why I chose the name Farm to Table with Amber. Of course, my name is Amber, but we do a lot of farming and farmers market, and also I will cook up some recipes on here from the things that we actually grow on our farm, which brings the term farm to table to light. But also we have 4.5 acres in northern Utah where we grow food for the farmers market. And we have a lot of asparagus, raspberries, orchards, and then of course we have our vegetables and our pumpkins and other things that we take to the market. So the farmers market's kind of our life for 6 months out of the year. And so this video will highlight some of those things that we do to prepare for the farmers market, like planting different items, harvesting them, and then taking them to the market to sell. So we get to do all of that in the summer, which is super fun. We have about 4.5 acres, and a lot of that we plant fruits and vegetables and other things that we can take to the farmers market. So in doing so, I make videos where I can show tips and tricks on how to grow things and also how to cook them. So I'll have recipes on this channel of items made from the food that we've grown ourselves in our garden, and also the way to preserve items too, whether it's canning, freezing, freeze drying, dehydrating, and making jams and other things that are hopefully fun for you to learn how to do. I also do a little bit of gluten-free eating as well. So you may find some recipes on here that are gluten-free. Would love to have you tune in, subscribe if you like the content on here, and hopefully you can learn some things from me, from tips from growing food to cooking the food to preserving food, and then of course eating the food. So thanks for joining me on this journey and for subscribing to my channel and learning some things from me as you grow, cook, and we eat together. Have a great day.